Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Sweet and Spooky Kit. This kit is all treat, no tricks. It provides everything you need to create 15 playful treat packages featuring iridescent foil and printed sentiments in English. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, surprising friends with treats, or sending festive goodies to loved ones, this kit has you covered. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. Halloween projects are the perfect balance between sweet and spooky. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!